It's Monday 20th January, and the markets ended on a moderately positive note. The Sensex and Nifty closed higher with banking and metal stocks led the charge. Let's break down today's key market moves and earnings updates. The Nifty climbed 141 points to close at 23,344, while the Sensex added 454 points, ending the session at 77,073. Market breadth favored the bulls, with 2,505 stocks advancing against 1,542 declining. Sector-wise, banking, media, metals, indices led the rally. Meanwhile, auto and FMCG stocks underperformed, closing the day in the red. Kotak Mahindra Bank, Wipro, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, and NTPC were the top gainers on the Nifty, lending support to the market's positive momentum. On the other hand, SBI Life Insurance, Trent, Shriram Finance, HDFC Life, and Adani Ports emerged as the major losers. The rupee improved by 5 paise to close at 86.55 against the US dollar on Monday, supported by a dip in crude oil prices and a softer US dollar index. Positive momentum in domestic equities further bolstered investor sentiment. India's forex reserves saw a sharp decline, dropping by $8.71 billion to $625.87 billion as of 10th January. Zomato's net profit dropped 57% to 59 crore rupees for Q3 FY25, compared to 138 crore rupees last year, with rising costs from Blinkit expansion. However, revenue surged 64.9% to 5,405 crore rupees, and adjusted EBITDA grew 128% year-on-year to 285 crore rupees, boosted by improved food delivery margins. SBI General Insurance reported a 273% jump in PAT to 504 crore rupees for the first 9 months of FY25, driven by strong growth in motor, health, and engineering insurance. Gross written premium rose 10.9%, while gross direct premium grew 10.5%, outperforming the industry. The company maintains a solid solvency ratio of 2.12 times. The broader markets outperformed the benchmarks today, with the Nifty Mid-Cap 100 rising 0.91% and the Small-Cap 100 gaining 1.09%. This strong performance highlights renewed investor interest in mid- and small-cap stocks, signaling a positive outlook for market participation. Gold prices stabilized above $2,700 per ounce after an initial drop. Historically, following Trump's 2017 inauguration, gold saw a short rally before declining due to safe haven demand. Markets are focused on tariff proposals and policy changes, which could trigger volatility in the days ahead. IDBI Bank's Q3 FY25 net profit surged 31% year-on-year to 1,908.27 crore rupees. Total income rose 13.9% year-over-year to 8,564.92 crore rupees, though it fell slightly from the previous quarter. Operating profit grew 20.43% year-over-year to 2,801.92 crore rupees. Indian Overseas Bank posted a strong Q3 performance, with standalone net profit rising 21% year-over-year to 873 crore rupees, compared to 722 crore rupees a year ago. Sequentially, the profit grew by 12.35% from 777 crore rupees in Q2 FY25. Net interest income surged 16.35% year-over-year to 2,789 crore rupees. Paytm, operated by 197 Communications, reported a Q3 FY25 net loss of 208.3 crore rupees, narrowing from 219.8 crore rupees last year. Revenue fell 36% year-over-year to 1,828 crore rupees but rose 10.1% QoQ. Payment services revenue grew 8% QoQ to 1,059 crore rupees, driven by higher GMV and merchant subscriptions. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest market insights.